everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Life. If you are new to my channel, I am Rashmi. Subscribe Rashmi's Vlog Life. It's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel. Today's video is about how to pack your clothes in the suitcase or luggage. Even it's for 1 week or 16 days or 20 days, I carry the same process only. So I'm going for a vacation for 2 days. It's a short trip. I'm going for a trip for 2 days. It's very short trip. I know it's because for my cousin's wedding I'm going to my dad's native. I thought, why can't I shoot this how to pack your clothes, so it will be easy for you people also to do. Here I share my tricks and tips and hack for packing your clothes and how to carry it in a suitcase or a carrier bag. This is how I segregate and I pack my clothes for my tour, and this is a very short trip. I'm going for 2 days, so quickly I'll show how I do everything. Since this is a short trip, I'm packing it for 2 days. So I'm taking this a big gown type anarkali dress. This is for reception. Either I'll go for reception or wedding. So for that purpose, I took this grand dress with a shawl and everything. I rolled the leggings, but dress and the shawl, I just folded it. And I'm taking 2 kurtis. So this 2 is a pair. And these 2 are the pair. If you roll and keep your clothes, it will take only less space. So I rolled all my kurtis and leggings and also 2 stoles or shawl, you can say. And for the inners and nightsuit, I've rolled and I kept inners in this, and 2 nightsuits I kept. So I'll show you how I will dump it in my carrier bag. Any vacation, I always keep my clothes inside the cover only for to avoid damages, because if I carry it in flight, all my luggages will go in cargo, so there is a chance of getting damage. Or if all the liquid items like a soap and moisturizer, I keep it in the same bag only, perfume, everything, so there is a chance of spilling because of any damage. So that reason I always keep it in the cover. For this 2 days, I kept 2 sets of inner garments. Without any confusion purpose, I always keep it in set wise, and also all the night suits and everything. Even spare kerchiefs, I used to keep it in this. I segregated everything in this covers. I always carry extra 2 covers. These 2 are very large one. So in any cases, dirty laundries, I keep it in these cover, and 1 for spare purpose. And I choose the covers which is like this thick material. It should be very thick, so there won't be any chance of getting teared or any damage purpose. So I prefer the thick materials. Whenever I go lifestyle, I'll pay extra money and I'll get extra space of covers. This material, I like it, that's why. Okay, I'm carrying this suitcase. This is a trolley type suitcase, and I'll show you how I will segregate all these things. In my room is full of little messy because I am traveling. I have to carry each and everything, so a little bit messy, don't mind that. I kept the dress, that anarkali type dress, I kept it in this. First I kept that, so that remaining things I can dump it in a proper way. Kurtis and leggings, which I rolled and wrapped it in the cover, I kept it on the top of the dress. And then my inners and night suits, everything I wrapped and kept it in this cover. For emergency purpose, I always carry a sanitary napkin with me, so I dump it in this side. But what I do is, I wrapped it in a cover and I dumped it in this corner. I have extra space, that's why. The clothes, everything package is over. Now I am going to keep all my skincare and makeup and toiletry kits. So first thing I do is I keep the perfumes in between the cover, so it will protect from any damages. That's the reason. I kept my skincare pouch here, and my makeup pouch here, and then my hair accessory pouch there, and my Q-tips, earbud box here, and then my toiletry kit. That's it. I segregated everything properly now, and then I'll move on to next thing. So there is a zip type compartment in this. So in this I keep all my electronic gadgets. First thing I kept is my charging board, and then I have a pouch which I kept it for a charger and data cables, everything. I have a Bluetooth speaker, then all the chargers and data cables, and I have here also some data cables and chargers, and I have this multiple USB port. So here I have one second. So this comes with a adapter, charging adapter, and then I have 4 USB plug connecting thing is there. So this electronic gadget I always carry with me wherever I go, even if I go for 20 days travel trip or 16 days or 1 week. It depends. Whatever travel tour destiny I go, I carry all these things with me. So this is how I keep it in this, and I'll zip it up. So that is over. My luggage for 2 days is over, and I carry these two. One is a laundry cover and another one is a safety cover, which I keep it in this zip. Here I keep it. So it's easy for me to take it. That's why I keep it here. I'm doing it in one hand. Since I'm doing it in one hand, it's very difficult for me to do. After packing everything, I lock it with a safety locker. I always use a number lock to lock it. Even they provide a number lock here, but I won't trust that. I always keep one safety number lock here, and that's it. If you like this video, please hit on like button. If you like my channel, subscribe, it's free, and share it with everyone, and also comment below this video. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Bye bye. Have a great day.